Good morning, children. In the previous class, you were learned total debtors account and total creditors account. Today, we are going to prepare bills receivable account. Often, bills are received from customers in payment of sales made to them. Bills receivable will affect the total of debtors account. Sometimes it will be necessary to determine from the given data the amount of bill received during the year. The format of bill receivable account is given here. First, enter the opening balance of bill receivable on the debit side as to balance brought down. Children, bills receivable is an asset, so enter the opening balance of bill receivable in debit side as to balance brought down. Then enter the closing balance of bills receivable on the opposite side, that means on the credit side as by balance carried on. Children, enter the closing balance at the end of the account as the last item. Then enter all item which decreases bills receivable. The item which decreases bills receivable are cash received on bills receivable, amount received through bank on bills receivable, bills receivable dishonored. Children, let me to explain the format once more. Enter the opening balance on the debit side as to balance brought down. Then enter all other items on the opposite side. The credit side items are by cash account, that means cash received on bills, by bank account, amount received through bank on bills, by sundry debtors. Here sundry debtors means bills receivable dishonored. Then closing balance by balance carried on. After enter all items in bills receivable account, ascertain the unknown value. Here bills receivable received during the year is the unknown value. It can be calculated by taking the difference between the credit total and the debit total. Okay children, shall we do one problem? From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable account and compute the bills received from the debtors. Opening bills receivable 20,000, closing bills receivable 30,000, cash received for bills receivable 60,000 and bills receivable dishonored 5,000. Draw the bills receivable account, show the abbreviation DR on the debit side, CR on the credit side. First, enter the opening balance on the debit side as to balance brought down amount 20,000. Next item, closing bills receivable. Children, enter this as the last item in the account. Okay, so the next item is cash received for bills receivable. Enter this on the credit side as by cash account, amount 60,000. Next, bills receivable dishonored. Instead of writing bills receivable dishonored, write as by debtors account. In bracket, you should write as bills receivable dishonored, amount 5,000. Then enter the closing balance. How? By balance carried down 30,000. Now we entered all transaction in bills receivable account. Then find the balance of bills receivable account. While balancing, we will get the unknown value. What is the unknown value? Bills received during the year is the unknown value. It can be calculated by finding the difference between credit total and the debit total. The credit total is 95,000 and the debit total is 20,000. The difference between the two is 75,000. 75,000 is the bills received during the year. It is the balancing figure. Okay children. Next question. From the following particulars, calculate total sales. Debtors on 1st April 2017, 1,50,000. Children, here opening debtors given. So you need to prepare debtors account. Next item, bills receivable on 1st April 2017. Here opening bills receivable given. So you need to calculate bills receivable account also. Then other informations for preparing these two accounts are given there. What are the cash received from debtors? 3,90,000. Cash received for bills receivable. It's for bills receivable account. Bills receivable dishonored. It is also for bills receivable account. Sales return. Bills receivable on 31st March 2018. Sundry debtors on 31st March 2018. Cash sales. Cash sales is for preparing total sales. Our question is total. Calculate total sales. For ascertaining total sales, you must prepare bills receivable account and debtors account. Okay, shall we do the problem? First, prepare bills receivable account. Because the figures, the balancing figure of bills receivable account is necessary for preparing total debtors account. After solving problem, you will get more idea. Okay, do bills receivable account. Draw the account bills receivable. Then write abbreviation on both sides, debit side and credit side. First enter the opening balance. What is the opening balance? Bills receivable on 1st April 2017 is the opening balance. Enter as to balance brought down 40,000. Then enter all other items in opposite side. The opposite side, that means on the credit side, items are by cash received 90,000, by debtors in bracket bills receivable dishonored 10,000, and enter the closing balance as by balance carried down 30,000. Now we entered all transactions in bills receivable account. Then find the balance. For balancing the account, find the total credit side and total debit side. Total credit side is 1,30,000 and debit side total is 40,000. Find the difference. 1,30,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 90,000. 90,000 is the balancing figure bills received during the year. Enter it as to debtors account balancing figure, again in bracket bills received during the year. Next step, do debtors account. Draw the account, write the title, show the abbreviation DR and CR. Then see the question. First enter the opening balance of sundry debtors on the debit side. To balance brought down 1,50,000. Then enter all other items in opposite side. By cash received 3,90,000. By sales return 40,000. Then children recall the format. In our format, one item is bills receivable account. This bills receivable account you will get from the previous step from the bills receivable account. Children, in bills receivable account you are found bills received during the year 90,000. Take this 90,000 to the credit side of debtors account as by bills receivable account. Okay children. Then in bills receivable account we were entered by debtors, that means bills dishonored. These bills dishonored you should enter on the debit side as to bills receivable account. The amount is 10,000. Then enter the closing balance of sundry debtors account as by balance carried down 1,30,000. Now we entered all items in debtors account. Children, note the point. Then balancing figure of bills receivable account goes to the opposite side, that means on the credit side of the total debtors account. Then bills receivable dishonest on the credit side of bills receivable account goes to the debit side of total debtors account. Then find the balance of total debtors account. The credit side total is 6,50,000 and the debit side total is 1,60,000. The difference between the two is 4,90,000. 4,90,000 is the balancing figure. It is the credit sales. Okay, children. Then the next step, third step is calculation of total sales. How can we calculate total sales? Total sales is equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales, it is given in the question, that is 2 lakh. Credit sales we calculated from debtors account, that is 4,90,000. Therefore, total sales is equal to 2 lakh plus 4,90,000 is equal to 6,90,000. Okay, children, solve exercise 12 and 13. Let me to explain the question. Exercise 12. From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable amount and compute the bills received from the debtors. For this, draw bills receivable account, write title bills receivable account. First, enter the opening balance as to balance brought down. The amount is 1,40,000. Next, all other items on the opposite side. First, by cash 3,90,000. By debtors in bracket bills receivable dishonest 30,000. Then by balance carried down closing balance amount 2 lakh. While balancing bills receivable account, you will get bills receivable received during the year. The amount is 4,80,000. Next question, exercise 13. From the following particulars, calculate total sales. Here, debtors, bills receivable and cash sales given, and the items which are affecting these two accounts also given. So you have to do bills receivable account, debtors account and calculate total sales. First, do bills receivable because the balancing figure of bills receivable account is necessary for solving debtors account. Okay, first bills receivable account. Draw the account, enter opening balance of bills receivable on the debit side as to balance brought down. The amount is 60,000. Next, on the credit side, by cash account 1,60,000. Next, by debtors in bracket bills receivable dishonest 15,000. Next, enter the closing balance of bills receivable as by balance carried down amount 90,000. While balancing the bills receivable account, you will get bills receivable received during the year. It is 2,05,000. Next step, calculation of credit sales by preparing total debtors account. Draw the account total debtors account. First, enter the opening balance on the debit side as to balance brought down amount 2,50,000. Then enter all items on the opposite side. By cash received 7,25,000. By bad debts 30,000. By returns inward 50,000. Then by bills receivable received during the year, take the balancing figure of bills receivable account, it is 2,05,000. Then bills receivable dishonored is there, enter that on the debit side as to debtors account in bracket bills receivable dishonored 15. Sorry children, enter as to bills receivable dishonored 15,000. Then balance debtors account, while balancing you will get a credit sales. Credit sales is 9,85,000. Then third step, calculate total sales. Total sales is equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales is given in the question 3,15,000. Credit sales you calculated from total debtors account. Credit sales is 9,85,000. Thus 3,15,000 plus 9,85,000, that is equal to 13 lakh. 13 lakh is total sales. Okay children, thank you.